Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a delightful little accessory that's capturing hearts everywhere. The BONICI Creative Cute Lovely Penguin Pendant Keychain. If you're on the hunt for the best cute animal keychain, look no further. This charming penguin is not just a keychain. It's a fun and whimsical addition to your daily essentials that's sure to bring a smile to your face. Let's take a closer look at what makes this keychain so special. The BONICI Penguin Keychain is crafted from soft plush material, which not only feels wonderful to the touch but also gives it an adorable and cuddly appearance. Its dimensions of 7.5 by 14 centimeters make it the perfect size to fit comfortably in your hand, while still being small enough to attach to your handbag, backpack, or car keys. One of the standout features of this keychain is its versatility. Whether you need to organize your car keys, home keys, or even your AirPods, this keychain has you covered. It's designed to save space and keep all your essentials in one place, all while adding a dash of charm to your everyday look. Plus, it's an excellent way to express your personality or style. The penguin theme is not only cute but also unique, making it an ideal gift for anyone in your life, be it for a birthday, graduation, or even Valentine's Day. Who wouldn't love receiving this cute little creature? It's perfect for both boys and girls, making it a wonderful unisex gift option. Now, let's talk about the design. This keychain doesn't just stop at being functional, it also serves as a stylish accessory. Its playful and adorable design makes it eye-catching and a great conversation starter. The keychain comes in multiple colors, allowing you to pick the one that suits your taste best. Each color variation adds a unique flair, whether you're looking for something classic or something more vibrant. Another aspect worth mentioning is the durability of this little gem. Made with high-quality plush, it's built to withstand everyday use while still maintaining its cute appearance. You won't have to worry about wear and tear too soon. This penguin is in it for the long haul. If you're looking for a perfect blend of practicality and cuteness, the BONICI Penguin Keychain is a must-have. It effortlessly combines function and style, ensuring that you'll always have a delightful companion by your side. So, if you're ready to add some whimsy to your life or surprise a loved one with a charming gift, be sure to check out the BONICI Creative Cute Lovely Penguin Pendant Keychain. It's the best cute animal keychain you can find. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun product reviews. Until next time, keep smiling and enjoy the little things in life.